When relying on third-party packages, it's important to keep your dependencies up to date. However, because your project's package.lock.json file pins a specific version of a package, you'll occasionally need to update your dependencies yourself to pull in the latest compatible version of dependencies. In this tutorial, we'll use the npm outdated command to list available updates for our dependencies. We'll update an existing dependency using the npm update command, and update a dependency to a new major version. In this example, we'll install an outdated version of a package on purpose, and then check for new versions. To see if any packages in your project have updates available, run npm outdated. This scans your dependencies and lists any which have available updates. The output shows the current installed version of a package, the wanted version, which is the version npm update would update to, and the latest available version for the package. Our currently installed version of request is at 2.0.0. The wanted version is at 2.88.0, and the latest available version is also 2.88.0. You can update all packages at once to their wanted versions by running npm update, or pass the package name to update only the specified package. The updated package will be downloaded to your node modules directory, and your package.json and package.lock.json will be updated automatically. To update a globally installed package, you do the same, but pass the --global or -g flag and specify the package name. Running npm update will respect the version ranges that are pinned in package.json. Typically, this means that npm update won't update to a new major release. For example, it won't update from version 1.something to version 2.something. To demonstrate this, I'm going to install an older major version of request. And then if we run npm outdated, you'll see that the wanted version, the version npm will update to, is 1.9.9, and the latest version is 2.88.0. To update to the next major version, we'll use the npm install command instead. You can use the latest tag when installing to get whatever the most recent published version of a package is. This will fetch whatever the latest version is on the npm registry, install it to your node modules directory, and update requests dependency listing in your package.json. If you look in your package.json, you'll see that request has been updated to the latest version, 2.88.0. This kind of forced update sidesteps the safeties put in place by the semantic versioning system. Major releases are likely to contain breaking changes, so only do this in an existing project if you're aware of what might break. A good way to figure that out would be to look at the changelog or release notes, if available, for the package you're updating. The final step in updating dependencies would be to test the changes before pushing to production. The semantic versioning system dictates that versions within the same major version shouldn't have breaking changes, but the ecosystem has no way to actually guarantee this, so it's up to you to make sure. This means you shouldn't just blindly update a package in production, even a minor version, without first testing it automatically with continuous integration, or manually in a development environment. It's always better to be safe than sorry. In this tutorial, you learned how to check for updates by running the npm outdated command, how to update all dependencies at once using npm update, how to update a specific package using npm update package, that major version updates can't be done with npm update and require reinstalling, and lastly, that you should test your updates before pushing to production because there is no guarantee that some bugs didn't slip in with the update.